Hi, it's Becky, welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here, thank you for clicking on this video. I know this is a bit of a weird way to start a video for me. Normally I'm sat down, but I'm doing my wardrobes today and I thought I would show you. So this is going to be a bit more of like a vlog relaxed kind of video. Obviously first I need to show you what the wardrobe situation is and then go from there. Over here I've got my first wardrobe, so I've just got my dressing gowns hanging outside. I've got a couple of dressing gowns, and then inside, turn the light on, it is a bit of a mess. So on the door on the inside I've got these like resistance bands, and then I've got different belts, like a harness. I know that looks awful, but you know, just belts basically, and then I've just got this little light. Okay, so first side, this is the awful side. Up here I've just got some board games and then some like boxes that technology issues and that have come in. And down the side, all down here, I've got wrapping paper. Up here should be heels, as you can see it's not, and then I've got some random cards. Then I've got some more shoes, as you can see they're not organised at all. And then this really isn't organised. This should be jewellery, it's not organised. That is nail polishes, which I need to sort out because this I used the other day and I hate it. Like, I really don't like the colour. I don't need a whole shelf for that, so I need to condense this down. Then I've got more shoes down here, some jewellery there which shouldn't be there. The socks are probably the most organised thing. Trainer socks here, longer socks there, and then the two at the back are just tights. So just taking you down here, I've got all my journals. In there I've got a box full of filming stuff, so different lenses and that. I've got some more books at the end there, a little teddy, and then at the bottom here I've got a cat. I've got a sewing machine here, and then just some more books down there. Here I've got my tripod. Behind that I've got just some folders with stuff in. I've got some alcohol there. This is Denise, she houses my jewellery. I've got Daisy here and Chester. Can you get out of there please? Anyway, the bottom of this side I've just got boots, like heel boots, knee-high boots, Doc Martens, that kind of thing. The boot section is actually probably the only section that is sorted because obviously I've not worn boots for ages, so that's fine. And then at the top here I've got my jackets, cardigans, coats and scarves. I think I'm just going to sort out the clothing side of it today, and I might tackle this side another day depending how I get on. Hello, I have this wardrobe as well, so I actually want to paint this white, but I will just show you what we've got going on. I've got this section, obviously at the top is very messy. That should just be jumpers, very neatly organised, but they are not neatly organised at all. And then the clothes have no real order to them. And then down the bottom here I've just got a like memory box, some glossy boxes. At the back are some birch boxes, and then in the middle I've got the star bra thing, which is just chilling in there. And then over here I've just got a box that's full of like wires and bits and pieces. And then I've just got these little random things here. It's loads of plastic bags, and then behind those the reusable like fabric bags. So I need to sort those out because I always forget to take them out with me. And obviously we should be reusing our bags where possible. And again, just more clothes here. There is no rhyme or reason to why these are in here and those other clothes are in there, so I need to sort that. Down at the bottom I've just got a picnic basket and some random boxes that have no use. That is what I'm working with today. My main thing that I want to do is sort out the clothes. This wardrobe over here where the jackets are, that's kind of fine because I kind of want to keep that jackets, boots, shoes. I obviously need to sort out the really messy side of it. But the other wardrobe, there's just no reason why the clothes are where they are. So I want there to be a bit more of like a structure and everything to be neat. And obviously I'm going to throw away some stuff that I'm not using anymore. I think what I might do first is literally take everything out, like all my clothes out. Yeah, is that going to be really messy? Probably. Okay, go one wardrobe at a time. So I've emptied that one. I'm going to sort this stuff out and then I'll do that one. and then I'll do that one. Right, what I think I'm going to do with bags is, why have I got so many? I don't keep anything in my handbags, they're all like empty apart from the one that I am currently using. But if I put one of these in each bag, then obviously I'll always have a bag with me, and then I just need to remember to put it back. So that's my problem. I'll put them in the bag and then I will buy something, put it in this bag, and then I won't put this bag back in the bag. There are a lot of bags there, but you get the gist. I'm always ending up buying canvas bags because I think that's really good for the environment and we need to be helping the environment. And then because I forget them, I end up buying plastic bags anyway. Okay, so these are all going to live over there in their bags. Plastic bags. How can I sort out plastic bags and make them not so messy? What is that thing that's... my phone? Shit, where is my phone? My phone under all of this. Oh no. Here it is. Oh, I don't think I can fold plastic bags. I don't think I'm destined for that kind of life. I found a plastic bag recycling place rather than folding the bags because I can't do that. Okay, I've got some clothes. I think what I'm going to put in here, not casual, maybe just dressy things in here. Let's try that. It's very hard to categorise things. You want dressy, to the dressy section. That actually wasn't too bad. That's done. How long did that take? Literally that took like 10-20 minutes, that cupboard, so that's good. Obviously it's not done, they're not back in there, but I've sorted everything. Coords, I've got like casual coords, dressy coords, dressy things like dresses, jumpsuits, and then I had these two things which are really casual, so they've gone there because I think this wardrobe's going to be casual, this wardrobe's going to be dressy. One item's just going to go in the bin, this. I don't really know what's happened to it, but the fabric on this side is just completely like ruined, which is a shame because it's a very pretty dress. And then I've got 4 things that just don't suit me anymore. So I've got 2 black dresses that I've worn to death. They're still fine, they're still in quite good condition, but I know I wouldn't wear them anymore. They're like short, booby, army, like there's army. It's just not something that I would wear anymore. So I'm going to put these back in the wardrobe and then start on this next one. Okay, so I'm just going to show you this wardrobe now. So I've got the picnic basket up top. I've put all black hangers in here, and then this is the only thing that can't be hung on that hanger, so I've put it over there. I've got a sort of like worky cord here, because that's the only place really I feel like I can put it. And then I've got dresses and cords sort of going from darker to lighter. And then down at the bottom, you've just got a bag. So I'm just going to do the same thing as I did in that cupboard to this cupboard, just get everything out. Okay, so this is quite funny. These are actually some trousers. I will show you the trousers, which I like. I'm keeping them. But obviously if they just chill in the wardrobe like that, they mess up everything else. So this is my makeshift garments bag. Like so. Skirts, again, I think maybe I'll put the dressy skirt in the dressy wardrobe. That would make sense, wouldn't it? These, which you get from Primark, it's like a scented room sachet thing. So I put them in the wardrobe. Okay, so I'm just going to show you what we've got in this cupboard now. So the first 2 things are just a couple of pair of trousers, and then I've got skirts, kind of going from like longer length ones to the shorter ones. Summery cords, Then I've got the 3 more sort of wintry co-ords, but they're all kind of quite casual. Then I go on to like a couple of jumper dresses and then a jumpsuit. Then I've got a t-shirt maxi dress and more sort of t-shirt dresses. Summery dresses into sleeveless dresses. Then I've got some jumpers. Then I've got casual shirts, blouses, silky shirts, loads of white shirts, which I don't need, but that kind of thing. And then strappy ones. So that's what it looks like. I'm going to try and do the hangers so that the hangers are in each section to try and make it easier to keep it tidy. So I'm just going to do that now that I've put everything in there and see how I get on. Okay, so that looks so much better. I'll take you a bit closer. So I don't know if you can see properly, but I've got pink going into black, then going into pink, then black, and then a couple of white ones. So what I've done is everything in its kind of section has a different colour hanger, which obviously when some stuff comes out the wash, that will all get ruined because the hangers won't be on the right thing. But for now, I think that looks lovely. Now I need to tackle this next section, which is just jumpers and hoodies, but this little box over here is candles, and I don't really think they should be in there. Like, I don't know why I've got candles in there, you know. So that's all done. I've got these ones here, which these are the hoodies I wear most often, and then I've got these like sweaters over here. I'm just going to show you how I fold a hoodie because I put it in like this little parcel thing, so it's a lot easier. So I'm just going to show you with this one. So you just lay it out, arms out, hood out, and then pull that in and do it in line with like that line. Then put that one down, that little thing back up so it's all in line. This one over, again, this down, pop its little sleeves up, and then you're going to go once up there to where the hood is attached, then pull the hood back and sort of fold it into the hood, so then you just pull the hood round and it makes this little parcel, and then you've got the front of the hoodie there. I ran out of battery on the camera, which is really quite irritating, but cupboard is done. So clothes are all down here. I've still got those boxes there because there's nowhere else really to put them apart from the like random stuff that was at the front. I've now put at the back of the jumpers because there was kind of dead space there. My hoodies on this side, and then the hoodies that I don't wear as often are tucked behind them. As I said, I've got the box behind these jumpers, and then I've just got like sweater kind of jumpers here, like pullover type ones. I don't really know how you'd call them, but those there. I have also done the jackets in here and the shoes. Shoes, top one we've got heels, then we've got trainers, and then we've got like pumps and a couple of pairs of slippers at the end there. This still needs addressing, but I think I am going to do that another day because I feel like that is going to be quite the task. And then here I've got heeled sandals going into normal sandals, and then just going into flip-flop. And the bottom again I've left. And then over here I've put scarves right at the very back, and then we've got the wintry kind of jackets here, then leading through into sort of bomber jackets, then kind of smarter jackets, then I've got denim jackets, and then I've got a couple of cardigans. So they are my wardrobes reorganised and sorted out. The stuff that I chucked out I'm either going to sell or give to charity shop or put in one of those like clothes recycling bins. So the only bit to sort out is just the sort of jewellery and the nail polishes. If you do want me to film that, just let me know in the comments and I will film that as well. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and make sure you hit that subscribe button as well. When we hit 500 subscribers, I will be doing a giveaway. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! This could be a complete flop, this video. God knows how this is all going to look, but